Hello everyone, in this video you will see a live demo of Royo Consult admin panel, customer app and expert app. This is the admin panel you get with the product Royo Consultant. Here you are looking at the powerful dashboard that gives you a bird's eye view on your online consultation business. Here you can see the total number of users, total number of consultants and total number of booking requests. Here you can keep a track of the total revenue generated on the platform. You can view sales analytics. This can be tracked on both weekly and monthly basis. Here's the list of the recently added consultants on the platform. You can track the revenue history here. Coming to the configuration part, in service type, here's a list of all the services that are being offered on the platform. Service description, its need availability. You can edit a service type. Also you can add a new service type by clicking on add service type. You can add service name, description, need availability, service type. You can select any service type from audio call, video call, chat, home visit, clinic visit or any other. Coming back to configuration, like service types, you can also edit or add a new category or subcategory. Now coming to the user section, you can check all the details of your customers and consultants, approve their requests, track their contact details and use them for marketing purposes. Like for users, you can edit any user profile, delete, update or change their passwords, approve any pending requests. Similarly for consultants, here you can see a list of all the consultants that are on board on the platform. You can edit, delete, update their passwords or simply view their profile. You can approve any pending request. Coming to the marketing section, you can add different banners to promote specific consultants on your platform. For this you will have to go into banner section. You will have to click on add new banner. The process is really simple. Choose a date range from when to when you want the banner to be showcased and then choose category, subcategory, service provider and all the other details that are displayed. Now you can create and offer packages to attract and retain more customers on the platform. Just click on add new package. Now you will have to add a title, description, price category, total sessions and all the other details you want to offer. Then you can add promo code or coupons to attract more customers. Just add category, service, coupon code, percentage, maximum and minimum discount, set limit. In the settings, you can easily manage the pages like terms and conditions, privacy policy, frequently asked questions, variables, app version, slots. From the payouts, you can check the details on payout requests by your consultant, check their comments and approve or disapprove their requests. This is all you need to know about the Royo Consultant admin panel. Let's start with the demo of the Royo Consult customer app. This app includes various advanced features like book schedule appointment, choose consultation mode, search and select consultants, multiple payment gateways, ratings and reviews, instant notifications and reminders. Now you can see this is the home screen of the Royo Consult customer app where your customers will get to see different type of consultation services being offered on the platform, latest articles and blogs published. Moving on to the profile section, here the user can create their profile, signing up with phone, social media accounts, email. Let's say the user chooses to sign up with phone number. An OTP verification code will be sent to the number entered. After entering the verification code, the user can enter details such as name, email, date of birth, bio. Also, he will have to fill in some more attributes like address, state of residence, city, his PIN code. If he has any insurance plan, he can select yes and can choose from the list of insurance companies he is registered with. Else, he can simply click on no and submit. After the completion of sign-up process, the user can book a consultation with doctor, lawyer, dietitian, etc. Let's say the user wants to book a consultation with the doctor, let's say an orthopedic. He can select category as consult a doctor. Now he'll click on bones and joints. Now will appear a list of all the orthopedic experts near the user. The user can click on any doctor's profile and check all the details such as bio, experience, service offered, ratings given by the other users, and from there itself he can book any type of consultation like telephonic, video, text, or he would prefer in clinic visit. For example, he selects the video call option. Now he gets two options. He can either request a consultation now or he can schedule it for later. Now the user can confirm booking. Now, as you see, there is insufficient amount in the wallet, so a user can add money to his wallet by simply clicking on the add money button. The user can add money to his wallet by adding his credit card or debit card details. Besides this, you can get n number of multiple payment gateways integrated to facilitate your users for easy payment like Stripe, PayPal, Razer, Paytm, UPI. Here you can see the money being added to wallet through card. Once the money is added to the wallet, the user can confirm booking, and that's it. The request has been sent to the respective consultant and the booking is now confirmed. Similarly, the user can choose of any other type of consultation at any time later using the schedule later option. Next, he can check any upcoming, recent or previous appointments all at one place in the appointment section. Similar to this, in the chat section, he can view the chat history made previously. From the profile section, he can edit his profile picture, check history, check notifications, view privacy policy, terms and conditions, and log out from the application. Now, let's begin with the live demo of Royo Consult for Experts. First of all, the consultants can get on board to the platform via multiple easy sign-up options. They can either sign up with their social media accounts, sign up with phone number, or sign up using email. Let's say the consultant chooses to sign up with phone number. Here, he'll enter his phone number. Clicking on next, an OTP will be sent to the number he has entered. On entering the received OTP, the consultant can enter all the details such as name, email, date of birth, years of experience, and his bio. On entering his details, he'll have to fill in some more attributes like address, state, city of residence, PIN code, and whether he accepts insurance. If yes, then what number of insurance companies he is registered with. If not, then simply click on no and then click on submit. Now, the consultant can select a service category. For instance, he is a doctor. He'll select consult a doctor as category and subcategory that is the field he specializes in. Now, the consultant can select a subcategory that is the specific field he specializes in. For example, if he is an orthopedic, he'll select bones and joints. He can now upload his documents, such as his ID proof, that include his photograph, his name, his description. Once the documents are uploaded, the consultant will click on Next. Now he can select his preferences and add the service type he wants to offer to the platform. He can make use of the toggle button to do so. He can set parameters such as consultation fee per minute. Also, he can add availability in case of actual visit. He can select weekdays he are available on and also the time he would like to provide consultation at. And save his preferences. Once the parameters are set, he'll click on Next. After completing the registration process, he is all set to get appointments, bookings. So in this screen, the consultant can add received requests including telephonic and video consultations. Besides, he can also add any number of articles and blogs to educate the users. From the wallet, he can check out the transaction history, view available balance, and request for easy payouts. In the revenue section, he can view the complete data of how much he earned through different consultation modes, how many appointments were successful, etc. Last, in the profile section, he can edit or manage his details, view chart history, notifications, and log out from the app whenever he wants.